Hello, this is the second video in the log milling series. I'm documenting the process of me milling logs from trees we had taken down a couple years ago when we got solar panels installed on our roof. This is the first time I'm doing anything like this, so there's a chance I could lose a digit or two, but so far so good. That's our new dog, Sherman. I went with an electric chainsaw because it's kind of cathartic to mill the trees that we took down for the solar panels with the power from the solar panels. And we also have an overabundance of electricity during the summer, so why not save a couple bucks? The first thing I had to do was make a rig for the sawmill to slide on for the first cut. I have an edge mill and a horizontal mill. Between those two, hopefully I can get everything I need with an 18-inch saw. It's going to be tricky and I'm going to have to do some kind of, machinations, but it'll get me there. The rest of this vid is just me groping my way through the process of milling for the first time. I'm just going to let it roll. I'll have some more videos later, hopefully when I'm a little smoother at the process, and they'll be a little bit more informative. But right now I'm just documenting my first couple tries. It turned out good. Got a couple slabs, got a couple pieces of lumber out of it. I think it's gonna go well. Thanks for watching.